Someone said they know bingo. So what is that bingo game? Can they explain? Like,
Can I?
yeah, Ria. Yeah, Ria, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. So we have 25 numbers, like 25 blocks. We have to write 1 to 25 in that.
Mm.
And one side of the box, we need to write bingo, that is bingo. And like we play in teams, so we need to cross the number other team says, and as well as the number we say.
Yeah,
And then if we have like 5 lines, 5 total lines cut for the numbers, then we win or something like that.
yeah, exactly. So this is a little bit different from that. So you're gonna cross out the number when someone calls that number, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's going to be a little bit different. So this is something bingo, which you're trying to say, right?
Yes.
So yeah. So this each and every number represent its own task. So number one will be one task. So similarly, there are 25 tasks. So as soon as you complete the task, like one, you will be getting 1 point. Okay. So and get to get a 1 point, you should do that task properly. Like every like whatever we are saying, that should be satisfied. Yeah, Dakshish. Just click next. Yeah. So if you complete the task like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you can completely draw a line, right? Like that, you can draw a number of lines. So as soon as you complete a one complete line, like a 5, so you're gonna cut the numbers in the bingo. So you should be doing like such a way that all the bingo term will should get cut. So yeah, that's just yeah. So what do you see? I just, if you had done this 21, 22, 23, 25 tasks, then the another, so one line is done, right? So I is getting cut. So similarly, to complete a whole task, you should be, you should cancel all the bingo terms. Hmm. So there will
Uh,
be a, yeah,
we can do it diagonally too, right?
yeah, we can do diagonally anyway. So there is for diagonally, okay. There is a bonus point which you will be seeing. Yeah, Dakshish, next slide. Yeah. So if you get the line such a way that you're coming, if you encounter 13, then you will get a bonus point. That means if you had done the work like a 21, 17, 13, 9, 5, then you will be getting a bonus point. So it can be like a straight line, anything. Like I'm just showing the possible ways. Yeah. So it,
Why 13, may I ask?
what?
Why 13?
Oh, you will be knowing. You'll get to
Because
know.
it's in the middle, I think so.
Yeah, it's in the middle. Yeah.
Oh, great.
So there is a bonus point for that. I mean, okay. So as I said, there are 25 tasks, right? So I'll be sharing this PPT as well. So don't worry if you miss out. Yeah, you will be getting a couple of tasks, but you should be reading them very carefully. If you miss anything from that, like if as you see first task, 6 members from each team, I mean 6 members from any team, take picture with scientists. If you want to do first task, that means all the 6 members should take a picture with the scientist, like individually. So it should satisfy that statement. Are you guys getting? Coming to
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, coming to second task, something like taking 5 pictures while cooking. So you should be there in that picture, so you can just take a picture like random picture from somewhere and you can show that. Okay, yeah. Coming to third task, so you third task is something which is really interesting. So you should imitate your any supervisor or co-supervisor, like of anyone, like not only of your team.
Sir, what is, ma'am, what is imitating?
You should act like them, like
Copy
you should
them.
behave like them, something like that. So any situation. Yeah. So this is something really interesting. The Okay, this for task 4, you have to do it at night. Like, look at the sky, take pictures from the sky, stars, and try to draw its constellation. So you know the constellations, right? So if it is not possible by one picture, then try to combine the pictures and try to draw constellations. So you have to draw two constellations. So if you draw one constellation and say this task is done, so it's not it's you will not score the point, right? So you should see each and every statement. Okay, coming to task y, create a postcard of your own. So it should be of that particular size. Okay. Task 6. So it has been 3 weeks, right? So you know your team, like how exactly your team. So maybe your team might have some common sentences or words used by your teammates, right? So you have to record 10 most common sentences used by your teammates. Yeah. Okay, seventh task is something create a cartoon. Okay, eighth task is okay. Just try to read them very particularly, like 6 pictures from five members. Yeah. Okay. Ninth task is something about cooking. So you have to be inventing a new snack item. So if you want to do this task, you have to be inventing a new snack item, and you have to share that recipe. You have to be writing them in 50 words. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Mm. Ria.
ma'am, I think the eighth task says 9 pictures from 5 members of your
Six
team.
pictures. Yeah.
Sorry, 6 pictures from 5 members of the team, right?
Mm.
So 5 members particular, each 6 pictures, or 5 members in total six
Oh, no,
pictures.
no. Total 6 pictures. It should be at least one person, one picture. So I
Okay.
think maybe one person, like fifth person, can give 2 pictures.
Yeah, I got that.
Ma'am, once again,
Mm.
I'm confused. Why do we need to do these tasks?
Oh, it's a game. Okay, it's a bingo to make to cross to cut those what we say, to cut those numbers. We have to complete this task.
Ma'am, this bingo game is very expensive.
Ma'am,
Okay.
is this the actual tasks or is this just the examples?
Oh no, these are actual tasks.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
So
then
how,
you.
when
ma'am,
will we do it?
I'll say. Let me
I mean,
complete
how
this.
many do we have to do? Ma'am, how many do we have to do per task? How many numbers can we scratch out? It's
Okay, it's gonna be a team. It's gonna be a team. So in them, okay, each task has a set of people. So you can do more than them. I mean, more if there are 6 members, you can actually do 7 members, but you should be satisfying that first. Are you getting?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
where can we take a
with the
picture of a scientist?
Guys,
how many
we'll
do
take
I
your questions in the universe. Is that fine? Because we really have to end this meet by 6 o'clock.
Sir, can we edit the pictures?
That's up to you. That's your choice. Right now,
Yeah.
let's finish up this
Okay,
presentation.
okay, okay. If you are taking task 1, you should get a picture from a scientist, maybe from a previous, previous pictures. You can use that too. Not photo editing. No photo editing. Okay. Except that, yeah. I mean, if you're going for task 1, you should be satisfying that. If you're not going for that, then don't satisfy. It will be like that. Are you getting?
So, ma'am, are we working in a team or are we doing this individually?
No, it's gonna be a team. So if
How
I
many tasks do we need to do?
okay, there are total 25 tasks. If you want to make bingo, you should do according to that, like which one you want to choose, right? You have to
And so
make sure
whatever
that
we
those lines,
choose,
yeah,
ma'am, let's say I choose task 13. So then if I finish it, I can scratch off task 13.
yeah, you can cut the 13th task. Is it making a line or not? You have to be checking.
Okay.
So yeah, I'll send this PPT. Maybe you can read that.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
till when do we have time? Task 21.
Yeah, I'll say what?
Task 21.
Uh,
I'm
okay.
so sorry to interrupt. There is a class now. I have to
Mm.
end this meeting. So whatever the doubts you
Okay.
have, please continue on Universe chat platform.
Yeah, so let's end this by 2 minutes. Dakshish, can you go back to, I'll tell about deadline and how to submit. Maybe that's important. Yeah. So deadline will be within 24 hours. That means tomorrow by 6 p.m. you should be submitting. So have to submit. Okay. So for each team, if it is astronomy team, it will be complete team. Matlab, each department will be considered as a team. So one person should submit these all things in the form of PPT. So you should, okay, I'll give a template. So first you should be writing your name of the team. So which what is your team name?